This is Unit 1. The poem is Rainbow. The question is, when we see rainbow in the sky, we mostly see rainbow after rain in sky, and it has 7 colors in it. And this poem is written by Christina Rossetti, who born in London in 1830 and died 1894. Christina Rossetti wrote so many poems for children. The rainbow. Let's know the word's meaning first. Rainbow. Rainbow means धनक कोसो कज़ा. बो कमान की तरह झुकी हुई मुड़ी हुई. हेवन आसमान. ओवरटॉप्स बहुत ऊपर या ऊंचाई पर. सेल्स चलती हैं. तैरना. सेल चलना या तैरना. सेल्स चलती हैं. ट्रैवल सफ़र एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना. बोट्स कश्तियाँ. रिवर्स दरिया. शिप्स जहाज. सीज समंदर. क्लाउड्स बादल. अक्रॉस द स्काई ऊपर आसमान में. प्रिटी खूबसूरत. प्रिटियर खूबसूरत तरीन. ब्रिजेस पुल. प्लीज़ खुशी या खुश. बिल्ड्स बनाती है. रोड सड़क या रास्ता. अर्थ ज़मीन. फार देन के ज़्यादा. कर्व्ड मुड़ी हुई झुकी हुई या मेहराब नुमा. कर्व्ड झुकी हुई मुड़ी हुई या मेहराब नुमा. आर्च मेहराब कुमान. दिस इज़ रेनबो which has many different colors in it. Words to know. Bow, something that is curved like an arch. Heaven, the sky. Overtops, rises over the top of. Sail, when a boat travels on water, it sails. Clouds can also sail or travel across the sky. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Boats sail on the rivers, कश्तियाँ दरिया पर चलती हैं, and ships sails on the seas, और जहाज समंदरों में चलते हैं. But clouds that sail across the sky, लेकिन बादल जो कि आसमान पर चलते हैं, are prettier than these, ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हैं इनसे. किनसे? Boats जो कि दरियाओं पे चलती हैं, and ships और जहाज जो समंदरों में चलते हैं. Clouds are more pretty, more beautiful than boats and ships. There are bridges on the rivers. यहाँ दरियाओं पर पुल बांधे जाते हैं. पुल होते हैं as pretty as you please. वो इतने ही अच्छे होते हैं, इतने खूबसूरत होते हैं जितने की हमारी खुशी होती है, जितना हम खुश होते हैं. But the bow that bridges heaven, लेकिन धनक कोसो कज़ा जो कि ऊपर आसमान में होती है, and overtops the tree और जो दरख्तों के बिल्कुल ऊपर होती है, and builds a road from earth to sky और ज़मीन से आसमान की तरफ एक रास्ता बनाती है, is prettier far than these, इन सब से ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. And everyone likes color. Poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti, born in London in 1830 and died 1894. Exercise. Answer the following question. Where do boats sail? Boats sails on the river. Where do ships sail? Ships sail on the seas. What sails across the sky? Clouds sail across the sky. What are the two prettiest things in the poem? पोएम में दो खूबसूरत तरीन चीज़ें कौन सी बयान की गई हैं? Clouds and bow. We can say clouds and rainbow. Clouds and bow are the prettiest thing in the poem. We also can write here rainbow. What is the another name for the bow that bridges heaven? We can answer over here. Another name for the bow is rainbow that bridges heaven. Rainbow is the another name for the bow. Is there a difference between a boat and a ship? Find out. क्या एक कश्ती और जहाज में फर्क है? Find out. In this picture, boat is smaller and the ship is bigger. Boat sails on river and streams. Ship sails on ocean and seas. So here we can write boat is smaller and sails in streams and rivers, while ships are larger and sails on seas and oceans. Here is one more difference between seas and oceans. Seas are smaller than oceans. Question 2 is what are they? Find these words in the poem. Number A. Better looking dash. So looking is prettier or pretty. Pretty or prettier. B. The planet on which we live. The earth. It is built to cross over a river. Bridge. We can sail in these boats and ships. Boats and ship. White and fluffy, it floats in the sky. Clouds. Clouds. Working with words, over is a separate word, top is a separate word, and it makes one word over here over top. In column A, hair, post, text, class, shoe, hand, door. In column B, room, maker, pin, kerchief, way, card, book. When we join them, it will become a word, one word. We also can say it compound words. So we can say here hairpin, classroom, postcard, textbook, shoemaker, handkerchief, doorway. Hairpin, postcard, doorway, classroom, shoemaker, textbook, handkerchief. Learning about language. Naming words are called nouns. Any naming words, whether it is for person, for place, for animal, for anything, or living thing or non-living thing, all nouns in the following. Tiny Tim was playing in the kitchen. He stood on a chair next to the sink. Water was coming out of the tap. He puts his thumb under the hole in the tap. The water went all over the floor. It went all over his head too. Tim. Kitchen. These are nouns. Chair, sink, water, tap, thumb, hole, water, tap, floor, head, floor, head. Listening and speaking. Find all rhyming words in the poem. List the words in your notebook. Rhyming words from the poem. These, these. Please, trees, these. Question 2. Work with a classmate. Think of words that to rhyme with those below. List them in your notebook. Here are some easy words, difficult words, very difficult words. So in easy words, number A, pen, hen, man, man, fan, rain, log, fog, dog, bun, sun, run, tin, bin, sin, tub, rub, cub, bit, hit, sit, leg, bag, peg. Difficult words. Crow, grow, bend, send, bud, mud, eat, heat, meat, catch, match, patch, hand, band, boy, toy, try, fry, cry. Very difficult words. You, due. Rhyming words only in speaking. You, due, flew. Read, lead. We also pronounce it red, past form of read. Red, tread. At, fat, mat. Girl, curl, pearl. Make your own list of pair of words that rhyme. Seed, feed, read, heed. Say, way, be, he, ne, ले. बे खलीज, हे सूखी घास, ने नहीं, ले रखना या देना, रखना. मैट, पैट, पैट मीन थपकी देना. फैट, सैट, कैट, हैट, रैट. बिन, सिन, फिन, chin, gin, kin. Gin is a kind of trap for an animal. Thick, chick, sick, lick, quick, trick, flick. Flick means timtimahat. His composition: draw a picture of a rainbow. Draw a picture of a rainbow. Write a few sentences about it in your notebook. You have ever seen a real one? Have you ever seen a real one? Tell the others in the class about it. You have to do it by yourself. Make a picture and write some sentences about it.